Hey guys, welcome back. This is AJXG here with another video. So as you know, it's Tech Tuesdays. So today I have some tech that you can pick up for school if you're already in school, and some tech tips for school. So the very first thing that I want to show you guys is you want to have backup. So as you see here on the screen, I have a flash drive which has a USB-A and a USB-C on each end, okay? Because you never know what kind of tech you're going to be needing data for, or to send or get data off of, right? So this is an option. You always want to have a hard storage with you. You also have the option, of course, of cloud storage, Apple storage, Google, Dropbox, whatever you're choosing, Microsoft. But you always want to have something that you can take out of your pocket, put on your keys or whatever, and just plug and play, right? Also, for those of you that have Android devices, you can actually use that as a storage device when you plug it in to any PC or Mac. Alright, so let's get into the next tip. Make sure if you're purchasing any type of device, it's going to last you for a while. If you're going to get a tablet, if you're going to get a laptop, make sure you're looking at the specs and thinking of the future, okay? If you're going to buy a laptop, honestly, if you're someone that's just going to be doing schoolwork and nothing else on it, maybe watching YouTube, you can honestly just get a Chromebook. But if you think down the line, hey, I want to start doing video editing or some type of podcast or something like that, something where you have to do editing, make sure you get a laptop or a device that can handle that. Now, the iPads can handle video editing, anything that you want, drawing, anything on that device, okay? So can a Samsung tablet. Just make sure when you're looking for a device, you're thinking of the long term. If you're a freshman, think it's just going to last me up until I'm a senior. If you are a senior, think of, okay, it's just going to last me past me graduating and getting a job with something that I want. Alright, I'm going to show a few laptop options here on the screen, and of course the links will be in the description down below. You can always check them out and see something. Okay, I'm going to have something for middle tier, beginning tier, and long term for your usage. The next tech tip that I have for you guys is how to share a YouTube video at a specific point in time. Now, a lot of people like to share stuff when they're coding stuff for their class or whatever, and usually the professor will put like a YouTube video, and you just, hyperlink the whole YouTube video. I'm about to show you how you can just pinpoint a specific section in time. Alright, so I have one of my videos pulled up. You're going to just click the share button, right? And once you click the share button, you're going to see something down here that says start at. You're going to click that box, and you're going to put the exact time that you want the video to start at. And then you are going to just click copy and send it. Alright, or copy and paste the link somewhere. So that is how you would do that for a video. The next tip is how to screen record or screenshot whatever you're working with. If you are working with Windows, you can just go into the search bar and type in snapshot, right? If you want to screen record and you're using a Windows device, all you have to do is press the window key and the G key simultaneously, and the game recorder will pop up and you will be allowed to record your whole screen. Now, if you're someone that is using a Mac, you would do Command Shift 5. That is how you screen capture, okay? And to screen record, it is also Command Shift 5. There will be a tool that will pop up. But of course, you can always go to the magnifying glass and just type screen record and it'll pop up. For those of you that may use a Chromebook, it is Shift Control Show Window. Alright, and then it'll have a menu that will show you to do screenshot. Okay, the show window is a little window button. It looks like a little square. Alright, and for the last two tips for you guys, the main one, do not write your password down anywhere, and try not to use the save my password feature on Chrome, because if it gets hacked, then obviously your passwords will get hacked. But that is your option. I just personally would say if it's something that's really, really important, do not save the password to that, okay? Because if you save your password to that, if they get into one account, and for most people, they use the same password across all accounts, they're able to get into other accounts, okay? And the very last thing is to make sure you have antivirus. Whatever antivirus of your choice. I am not like one that's, oh, this is the best one. one. I've used Norton. Currently I'm using Avast. Okay, so I like them both. They work perfectly fine. They do the job as intended. Alright. Oh, and a special one, if you are downloading a file, okay, on Windows. I'm not sure about Mac, but I know for sure on Windows, if you are downloading a file and you have antivirus, if you right click that file before you open it, do not double click to opening it. Right click that file and click scan in the file, and the antivirus will scan the file to make sure there is no antivirus on that. Okay, you want to make sure you do that too for people that want to get stuff off of your computer and they put their flash drive in or their phone. You want to make sure to scan their device because you don't want them to pass on any viruses to you. Alright guys, this was a short video. I just wanted to give you something for Tuesday. If you have any questions, of course, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will catch you next week. HXG out.